Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to do some Daisy and Donald Duck nail art stickers. I think these are so super cute. I got these off of AliExpress. I do not remember what I paid for them, but I think they'd be super cute to do as a manicure. So we're going to be using those. We are going to be having some bling. We have got a butterfly in here from Charlie's Nail Art. We're going to attempt to put foil on the middle nail. This is also from Charlie's Nail Art. It is called Spring to Summer, and I think this is really pretty. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art. You can save 10% off your bill by using NailedIt10, all caps, and I'd greatly appreciate it. So we're going to dive right in. I probably should use the foil first. I was not having good luck with it last night, and I pray today is a little bit better. I was practicing last night with some who was he? Mickey Mouse foil, and it was not working. I was kind of bummed. I really wanted to do a Mickey Mouse manicure, and pray this works. Keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed for me, folks. Rub-a-dub-dub. Get your sidewalls real good, the tip of your nail, your cuticle area, and just rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Create that heat friction. We have got beautiful coverage. Put this over here. Put it all the way. So we're going to dive in with our stickers. And let me see. Good old Donald Duck. I remember as a kid, I just loved watching, the Disney stuff. Donald, Daisy Duck, Mickey and the crew. They're really super cute. Really super cute. Make sure those are flush. Make sure. I do want to use this one here. That one, and then where's the other one of Daisy? Here we go. There we go. Our stickers are all done. Let me get this one out of the lamp. How cute is that? So our other nails is where we're going to put our bling. The polish I'm using here, I guess I should have said this in the beginning, is by PG. This is the yellow is number P417. This is a beautiful, beautiful baby chick yellow, and I just love it. Base and top coat is also by PG. They are 10 mil. So we are now I'm going to put some bling on, and they say to use base coat, so we're going to try that today. We are going to try that. So I'm taking some base coat. Put some on the nail, not too thick. So now, what are we gonna do? Let me get to my bling. Sometimes they just don't want to release. Okay. But I want to use the butterflies as well. Which I'm not thinking I'm going to be able to use this with the butterfly. I'm going to have to use some rhinestone glue. I think I might. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp. And again, this is base coat. I've never used base coat before to apply the bling, but there is a first time for everything. I need a big one. And some bling. How does that look? Just the two. The two blue, the two blue. So we're going to pop those in the lamp. We are going to put the butterflies on with some rhinestone glue. I have got some Modelones. So I'm going to use this to hold on the butterfly. So let's see. How does that look? Yeah, I keep moving this mat, don't I? Need to get my two-sided tape out. Okay, I'm going to take those two nails out, pop these in. I could put some stickers, the heart stickers down these nails. Whoa, Nelly. Shoot. That sticker was so tiny I lost it. I did. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Oh, goodness me, oh my. Yeah, those are sticky, alright. Get a big heart here. Here they're kind of going where they want to, instead of where I want to stick them. There we go. There are our hearts. I just have to now top coat, and our manicure is complete. I think it looks really cute. Really cute. So remember, I am using QT. You can find this on Amazon. I've got 2 videos out, 2 different 21-piece collections. There is the second video, which has a discount code for 20% off the 21-piece collection if you purchase it off Amazon. Plus, there's a 20% off coupon. So you're getting like 40% off your total bill there, which, I mean, you can't beat that. Even if it was a 10% off coupon, you can't beat that. So I'm going in now with the top coat. I'm going right up to the bling. I think this turned out really nice. I'm very pleased with the way this manicure turned out. The foil glue worked for us, which was beautiful. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. So when your foil glue works, everything's perfect. So go right up to your gems and around and down. So we're going to stick this in for a full 60-second cure. Straighten our nails out here. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think these turned out really, really super cute. We have got Charlie's foil here, along with their butterflies, and my Disney stickers. Remember, I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's, so you can save yourself 10% off your bill by using my discount code, NailedIt10, all in caps. Put that in where you check out, and you can save yourself 10% off your bill. So, let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and any information I may feel you need to know. So, I hope you liked. Hope you come back. If you've already subscribed, thank you for being here. I greatly appreciate your presence. I love each and every one of you for your support. And yes, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.